Imagine a robot that never sleeps, never stops, and can literally recharge itself in under 3 minutes. Meet Walker S2, the world's first humanoid robot that can change its own battery, no human help needed. In today's video, we're breaking down UBTech's game-changing Walker S2. You'll get a clear view of how it works without complex jargon, why autonomous battery swapping matters, and what it could mean for factories, households, and yes, even elder care. And stick around for our interactive pause and ponder moments scattered throughout. You're watching Tech Insight Daily. Autodub is on. Check the track list for your language. Walker S2 is the latest from UBTech, based in Shenzhen. It looks human, 2 arms, legs, walks upright, but the magic? It can walk up to a charging station, pop out its drained battery from its torso, dock it, and slot in a fresh one, all autonomously in about 3 minutes. That means it doesn't need coffee breaks or any breaks. Just picture it like a smartphone that slides into a charger and comes back to life fully on its own. Pause here. How could never needs to recharge robots shift your world? Logistics? Healthcare? Drop a thought in the comments. Let's unpack the secret sauce. Dual battery system. Think of it like a dual tank car. If one runs dry, it automatically switches to the other to keep going smoothly. Smart energy decisions. The robot figures out if swapping or charging is best based on how urgent its task is, like knowing if you have time to sip coffee or need a double shot. Standard battery pack modules. It uses swappable universal battery packs, so it never gets stuck searching for the right fit. Altogether, these mean uptime like you've never seen, 24/7 operation without humans stepping in. But it's not just theory. Walker S2 is being trialed in smart factories across China, BYD, NIO, Zeekr, Foxconn, and even in 5G-powered industrial campuses. It works alongside other UBTech robots under a brain-like cloud network UBTech calls BrainNet. That means one central superbrain makes huge decisions, while each robot has its own subbrain for local moves. Think of a symphony conductor superbrain coordinating dozens of musicians, robots, each following sheet music, tasks, while improvising tiny adjustments. Take a moment. How might this swarm robot model change your job or local factory floor? Tweet your ideas or hit that comment section. 3 key impacts. Efficiency. Robots that never stop means faster manufacturing, fewer delays. Safety and cost. No humans into hazardous zones and fewer human error incidents. Scalability. Once they nail battery swapping, rollout becomes cheap and mass-friendly. But it's not perfect yet. These robot bodies are still fragile, like a marathon runner who needs pit stops. Early humanoids like Walker S1 and Tesla's Optimus needed training wheels, and sensor glitches can happen. Also, cost is high, hundreds of thousands per unit today, though UBTech's aiming for some 500 to 1,000 deliveries this year and 10,000 by 2027, so it will take time to bring prices down to everyday levels. Let me know, would you trust a robot to care for your grandparents or kids? Dive into the comments, debate, or agree. Quick recap, Walker S2 can change its battery all alone in 3 minutes. That's thanks to dual batteries, modular packs, and AI-powered energy choices. It's already working in real factories, a big leap toward continuous autonomous labor. But challenges like cost and physical reliability remain. As these humanoid robots evolve, we might soon see them as hand and eye extensions of human spaces, workshops, hospitals, even home living. They aren't replacing us, but amplifying our capabilities through partnership. So, are we ready to share coffee breaks, or will robots forever skip them? Let that question echo. Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next dive into robotics. Share your take below, and I'll catch you next time on Tech Insight Daily.
Welcome to Tech Insight Daily. Your support means the world to us. Help us grow by sharing and subscribing. No need for Patreon or buying us a coffee. A heartfelt shout out to our incredible subscribers. You're the backbone of our community.
Stay connected, tech enthusiasts, in this ever-evolving world of technology.